Hello, good morning again. This is Feli, and today I am going to show you how to teach the letter E to very young ESL students. Thank you. Hello, children, good morning. Our new lesson today is letter E. But before that, let us review our past lesson. What letter is this? Okay, very good. This is letter A. Again, A. One more time, A. And the sound of A is ah. Okay, let's sing the sound of A. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Okay, children, our lesson today is letter E. What letter is this? Okay, very good. This is letter E. Again, E. And the sound of letter E is E. Again, what's the sound of letter E? E. Okay, let us sing the sound of letter E. E, 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 E. Okay, very good. That's the sound of letter E. Okay, let us trace letter E following the arrows. One line going down, one arm going to the right, another arm going to the right, and another arm going to the right. Again, one line going down, 1, 2, 3. One more time, one line going down, 1, 2, 3. That is letter E. Remember that E has 3 arms. Let us name some objects that begin with E. And the sound of E is E. Again, E. Again, E. And E is for egg. E, E, egg. Again, repeat after me. Egg. E, E, egg. E is for elephant. Again, E is for elephant. E, elephant. Again, repeat after me. Elephant. E, elephant. E is for exercise. Again, exercise. Repeat after me. E, exercise. Again, E, exercise. E is for exit. Again, E is for exit. E, exit. Repeat after me. E, exit. E is for entrance. Again, entrance. Repeat after me. E, entrance. Again, E, entrance. E is for elevator. Again, E is for elevator. E, elevator. Again, E, elevator. E is for escalator. Again, E is for escalator. E, escalator. Again, E, escalator. E is for elf. Again, E is for elf. E, elf. Again, repeat after me. elf. Elf. What letter is this again, children? Very good. This is letter E. Again, E. One more time, E. And what's the sound of E? E, 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 E. Okay, very good, children. Tomorrow, we will have another lesson. Bye and see you again next time. Thank you.